7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hi guys, so I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette and I'm going to be taking this light shade right here and I'm going to evenly coat my eyes so that my eyeshadows blend in nicely. Now I'm going to be taking this shade right here and I'm going to be putting it all through my crease and I'm going to blend until it looks seamless. Now I'm going to be taking my Morphe Kathleen Lights palette and I'm going to be taking this mauve shade right here and I'm going to again buff it in my crease. Now I'm going to add some concealer to kind of make the shades pop a little bit because I'm going to be doing a halo eye. I'm going to keep blending until it looks seamless. Now I'm going to be taking this darker shade right here and I'm going to be putting it on my outer corners as well as my inner corners because I'm going to give it a halo effect. I'll keep building if I feel that the color isn't as much, and then I'm going to add this lighter shade and put it in my center. This creates a nice base for any metallic shadows that you want to add. And I'm gonna make it blend. I'm taking this fluffy brush and then I'm gonna blend it even further to make my crease looks very seamless. And then I'm taking this metallic shade right here and look how pigmented this is. And I'm applying it all over my center lid. Then I'm taking this highlighting shade and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm taking this shade and I'm putting in my inner corners. I'm taking now my sugar liner and I'm going to be lining my eyes, and I'm going to be starting from inner rim and moving to the outward. Now I'm going to create a wing. And then I'm going to be extending it further in. Now I'm taking my pack lashes. This is in 213 and now I'm putting some glue and applying it on my eyes. This is how the eyelashes look and I find them really wispy and pretty. And now I'm putting some mauve color on my lower lash line. Now I'm adding this metallic shade to kind of give it a little glam look. I'm using this detailer brush and we're done. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'm going to be coming up with a lot more videos for you guys, and definitely hit the bell notification sign on. Happy Valentine's Day!